We have 123 here. I'm going to be breaking this blaster box of 2016 Panini Contenders. 1 autograph or memorabilia per box. 8 cards per pack, 5 packs per box, so let's get into it. Carlos Hyde, Joe Flacco, Delaney Walker, Tom Brady, C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls, Andy Dalton, MVP Contenders, Ben Roethlisberger. Robert Quinn, Khalil Mack, Matthew Stafford, Antonio Brown, AP, T.Y. Hilton, Tyrod Taylor, Travis Benjamin. Our hits in here, and it's a patch, so we'll save that for last. Blaine Gabbert, Cam Newton, DeMarco Murray, Trevor Siemian, Russell Wilson, Steve Smith, Sam Bradford, and Rookie of the Year, Jalen Ramsey. Devontae Parker, Larry Fitzgerald, Amari Cooper, Kevin White, Frank Gore, Kirk Cousins, Alex Smith, Jay Cutler. On Kelvin Benjamin, Des Bryant, Brian Fitzpatrick, Aaron Rodgers, DeAndre Hopkins, Brennan Cooks, Rashad Jennings, and our hit is a Kevin Hogan, quarterback rookie for the Chiefs. And he was drafted in the 5th round. Pretty nice card, so thanks for watching.